Here's how you can check for it. India is the world's largest producer of milk. And ironically, milk is also the most adulterated item in India. Most common adulterants include water, chalk, urea, and caustic soda. So how do you check if what you're drinking is actually a glass of pure milk? Here I have 2 glasses of milk, one pure milk and the other one diluted with water. I take a dropper from the pure milk and drop it on a polished slanting surface. You can see that the milk flows slowly, leaving a white trail behind. When I try to do the same with the adulterated milk, it flows almost immediately and with not much of a mark behind. Who doesn't love a hot cup of chai? But could you be drinking colored leaves as well? Here's how to check it. Take some tea leaves and put them on a tissue paper. Rub the leaves together. If it leaves off a color, you're probably drinking adulterated tea. If not, you're safe and good to go and can go ahead and enjoy that cup of chai. And now to the popular product that's in the headlines, honey. Here's 2 ways to check if your honey is pure or adulterated with sugar syrup. Here I have 1 bowl of pure honey. In the other bowl, I'm going to add some honey with some water and sugar to make a sort of sugar syrup to mix it with the honey. I have 2 glasses of water and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of each substance in each glass. You can see that the pure honey settles right down to the bottom, whereas the adulterated honey dissolves much faster and almost immediately. With your naked eye, you can clearly tell which one has pure honey and which one has adulterated honey in it. Another way to check if your honey is pure is to do the burn test. Here I have a bowl of honey. It looks pretty good to me, but let's test it out. You can first take a cotton wick and dip it into the honey and then set it on fire. Pure honey will burn instantly, whereas adulterated honey will not burn, or even if it does, will burn with a crackling sound. Well, looks like I've been having adulterated honey all along. Chili powder is another common ingredient that is often adulterated with artificial colors to get that bright red pop of color. Here's how you can find out. Here I have a bowl of pure chili powder, and in another bowl, I'm going to add some chili powder and add some red color to it. I have 2 glasses filled with water, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder to each of these glasses. When added to water, pure chili powder will not change the color. If the color changes, as you can see it does on the right, it probably contains added color. A major staple in every Indian kitchen, salt is often mixed with talcum powder to increase its quantity. Here's how you can test your ingredients to check if it's worth its salt. Here I have some pure salt on one side, and in another bowl, I'm going to add some salt and add some talcum powder to it and mix it up. I'm going to take 2 glasses and on the left side add pure salt and on the right the adulterated salt. Pure salt will dissolve and leave the water clear. Adulterated salt will turn the water white and substances will settle at the bottom.